everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about elementary fraction and mixed numbers. So the given number 1 is a mixed number and we're going to add with the fraction. How to solve is the same process, equals. Then this 5, we're going to arrange first. 5, whole number, then plus. This one, 13, 3. So line muna dito, division line. Since the same, copy here, the denominator. Then 13, copy, plus 3. Okay, equals 5 plus 13 plus 3 equals 16 over 8 equals 5 plus 16 divided by 8, pwede natin ma-divide yan. Kaya the answer is whole number, 2. And the final answer is 7. So our answer here is 7. Okay, next number 2. 310. Kailangan natin mag-LCD using the prime continuous division just to find the LCD. Okay, continuous division, 3, then 10, copy natin dito. Then we have to think for the greatest prime. So, dito sa 3, is 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. Copy 10. The greatest prime dito sa 10 is 5. Itong 1, copy lang, bring down. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Observe, the result now is prime, 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 prime. Then, the LCD, you have 3 times 5. Yung 1, except na hindi na natin included na yung 1. Parehas lang kasi yung result yan. Times 2 equals 3 times 5, 15. Times 2 is 30. So the LCD now is 30. Then, ngayon, ito, write natin 3 plus. Then, division line, copy the denominator. 30 the LCD. Then, 30 divide 3 equals 10 times 4, 40. Plus 30 divide 10 is 3 times 5, 15 equals 3 plus denominator 30, 40 plus 15 is 55. Then 3 plus, how many 30 and 55? So you have only 1 over 30. So, ima-minus natin itong 30 times 1 equals 30. Minus natin sa 55. Okay? 55 minus 30, 5, 25. So, 25 ang numerator here. Then, 3 plus 1. So, ma-reduce pa itong 25 and 30 because 5 is divisible by 5 and also the 0. So, 25 divided by 5 is 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Final answer is 3 plus 1 is 4. Then, copy the fraction 5 over 6. Therefore, our final answer is equals to 4, 5 over 6. Okay, number 3. You have to write first 18, then minus 12, then plus 5 over 7, minus 2/3. Pinag-iwalay lang natin yung whole number at ganun din yung pinagsama din natin yung fraction. Then 18 minus 12 is 6 plus the fraction. Problema natin yan ang denominator. This time, hindi muna natin gagamit ng prime continuous division kasi because 3 prime, 7 prime, multiply na lang natin to. 3 times 7 is 21. Then 21 divided by 7 here equals to 3 times 5, 15. Minus 21 divided by 3 is 7 times 2 is 14. Equals 6 plus 15 minus 4 is 1 over 21. Okay, hindi na ma-reduce yan. So, pa-plus na natin ang whole number and the fraction. It becomes 6, 1, 21. So, this will be our final answer. Okay, next number 4 equals, hiwalay natin yung whole number. 11, then plus 5 over 6 minus 7 over 12 equals 11 plus division line. Because we're going to think for the LCD of 6 and 12. This time, hindi tayo gagamit ng prime continuous division because napakadali naman itong i-multiple. Pag sinabi multiple, dodoblihin lang natin. 6 plus 6 equals 12. O kuha na kaagad, may LCD kaagad tayo. Then divide 12 divided by 6 is 2 times 5, 10. Minus 12 divided by 12 is 1 times 7 is 7. Equals 11 plus 10 minus 7 is 3 over 12. This time, 3 and 12 pwede pa ma-reduce because 3 and 12 is divisible by 3. Pwede makadivide ang 3 dito lahat sa numerator and denominator. 11 plus 3 divided by 3 was 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then add whole number plus fraction equals 11, 1 over 4. This will be our final answer. 11 and 1. 4. Okay, we have to answer number 5. Gagawin natin ay hiwalay muna natin yung whole number sa fraction. 11 plus 2/3 minus 7 over 8 equals 11 plus division line, because we are going to find first the LCD. So the LCD using the continuous division, prime and continuous division, we have 3 and 8. The highest prime for 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 8 divided by 3 cannot be, just only copy. Then the lowest prime, or rather the highest prime, is 2. 8 divided by 1, copy only. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then another prime is 2, copy 1 and 2. Observe, we have prime 3, 2, 2, 1, 2. So the LCD is 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals, huwag na natin salim 1, ganun din yun the same answer. 3 times 2, 6 times 2 is 12, times 2, 24. Okay, our denominator is 24. Next, we're going to divide. 24 divided by 3 is 8. times 2, 16, minus 24 divided by 8 is 3 times 7, 21 equals 11 plus. So this time, if we're going to minus here, so hindi pwedeng mag-minus kasi maliit ito, malaki itong 21. So magbabaro tayo dito sa 11. So yung 11 natin ngayon, 10 na lang yan. Becomes 10. Tapos yung binaro natin na 1, gagawin natin fraction, which is equal sa denominator. The denominator is 24, kaya 24 over 24 ang gagawin natin. So 24 over 24, if we're going to divide, is equal to 1. Yun ang binaro natin sa 11. Ngayon, itong 24 numerator plus 16. So that's why we have 16 plus 24 equals 40. Okay, 40. This time we have 40 minus 21 over 24 equals 10 plus 40 minus 21. The answer is 19 over 24. So, pwede pa ba ma-reduce ang 19 at saka 24? Hindi na naman. Kasi ito ay prime na. So, hindi naman reduce to. So, final answer is 10, 19 over 24. So, pinag-plus na natin itong dalawa. Yan na yung final answer. So, B, the final answer. Okay, next, number 6 equals, ang gagawin natin, iwalay mo na yung whole number. 15 plus fraction over 9 minus 10 over 8 equals 15 plus division line. We are going to find the LCD ng 9 and 8. Okay, by using the continuous division. We have 9 and 8, the denominator, and the highest prime is 3, 4, 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 8, let's just bring down, and the highest prime for 3 is also 3, then becomes 1, 3 divided by 3, 1, and bring down 8, and the highest prime for 8 is 2, and bring down 1, 8 divided by 2 is 4, another prime, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Observe, we have 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. So our LCD is 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. Okay? Equals 3 times 3, 9. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Then 9 times 8 is 72. Okay? The denominator now is 72. Then divide. 72 divided 9 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. Minus 72 divided by 8 equals 9. Times 10 is 90. So we have another problem. Hindi tayo makapag-minus dito sa 40 and 90. So kailangan tayo magbaro dito sa 15 ng isa. Yung 15 ay magiging 14 plus the fraction 7 over 2. Then, yung hiniram natin na isa, gagawin natin fraction, which is equivalent sa denominator. 72, also 72 here. Check natin 72 divided 72 equals to 1. Itong 72 ngayon, ipa-plus natin sa 40. Kaya 72 plus 40 equals to 100. 112. So 112 minus 90. So ma-minus na naman natin. 112 minus 90 equals 2. 11 minus 9 equals 2 also. So 22 ang difference. So 14 plus 22 over 72. Since marireduce pa ito because of 22 is divisible by 2, 72 also is divisible by 2. Ibig sabihin ng divisible, makakadivide siya 72 o sa number na to. So 14 plus 2 divided by 2 is 11. 72 divided by 2 is 36. Yan na po yung pinaka-reduce niya. Hindi tatabi lang natin siya. So therefore, the final answer is 14 and 11 over 36. I hope you understand. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.